Good morning. How are you today? Today is Wednesday. Only 2 more days to have vacations again. Yes. Okay, today we have to work only math and word building. Okay, so we're going to start with math. We're going to remember about picture graphs. Pages 525 and 526. Be ready, okay? Let's remember what a picture graph looks like. Remember, a picture graph is a graph that shows information, or the votes are shown with pictures. It can be the same picture, or you can use happy faces, stars, circles, or other shapes. Okay? So this is a picture graph. Just a reminder. We're going to work with the first exercise. It says, write the totals in the tally chart. Let's see what the survey is about. This survey is about the favorite juice flavor. Orange juice, grape juice, and lemonade juice. Okay? Let's count the votes for orange juice. How many? 6. Very good. So you need to write the number 6 with your pencil and do it well, okay? Now, how many votes for grapes? Grape juice. 4. Very good. You need to write the number 4. And in the last one, for lemonade, you need to write the number 2. Very good, because it's only 2 votes, right? Okay, now we need to use the tally chart in exercise 1 to make a picture graph. We're going to make a picture graph here. What are we going to use? We're going to use happy faces, okay? Because, you could draw a glass of juice, but it's going to be a little bit difficult for you, so we're going to use a happy face, okay? So, how many happy faces will we draw for the orange juice? 6. I gave it a color, but you don't need to give a color. You can do it with your pencil. You draw a circle, 2 eyes, and a mouth, okay? In each of the spaces. You're gonna draw 6 happy faces. Look. I have 3, 4, 5, and 6. Remember, inside the little squares, okay? Now, how many for the grape juice? 4. Very good. You're gonna draw 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very good. And how many for lemonade? 2. I'm gonna draw 2 happy faces for lemonade. 1 and 2. If I'm doing it too fast, you just pause the video and then you can continue working. Okay? Actually, you can do this by yourself, but I'm trying to help you. If you are ready, let's go to page 526. Just turn the page. It's exactly the same, but this survey is about the favorite toy for dogs. If you see your page, you're gonna see a little dog here, right? So these are the favorite toy for dogs. Bone toys, no food, okay? Bone toys, rope toys, and ball toys, okay? Un hueso de juguete, una cuerda de juguete, y una pelota de juguete. So, some people answered to the survey, and this is the information, okay? The tally marks count are the votes, because this is a tally chart. Let's complete the tally chart with the total, right? How many votes for bone toy? 4, so you need to write the number 4. Ready? Now, how many votes for rope? 6 or 7? 6, very good. So you need to write number 6. And the last one, 7. Very easy. Yes? Okay, now let's complete the picture graph. We're going to use this information or this data here so we complete the picture graph. I'm going to draw happy faces again. As I told you, I gave it a color, but you don't need to give a color. You can do it with your pencil only. Okay? How many happy faces for Bone? 4, because that is the information we have. So I'm going to draw 4 happy faces, 1 inside each of the spaces, right? So I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ready? Now, for the rope, how many? 6. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Very good. And the last one is a ball. How many? 7. Very good. 7 balls for ball toy. Yes? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Very good. Look at how beautiful it looks like. If you want, you can color the happy faces in yellow as I did, if you want, okay? But if you don't want to, you just draw them. That's okay for me. Now, let's do vocabulary check. Complete each sentence. I'm going to read the sentence and you tell me what is the word that completes the sentence. This one says data and this one says picture graph. Okay? The first one says, a graph shows information or data. Okay? You're going to write data. When we say data, we're talking about datos in Spanish. Okay? ¿Cuáles son los datos? La cantidad de votos que la gente nos da al realizar la encuesta. Esos son los datos o la información. Y eso es lo que enseña un graph. Information or data. Las encuestas son importantes para muchas razones. Por ejemplo, cuando una persona quiere, digamos que como grado, como prepa, querramos vender jugos, ¿verdad? Para poder obtener dinero y comprar una piñata para el cumpleaños de alguno de sus compañeros. Entonces, para saber cuál es el jugo que se nos puede vender más, podemos encuestar a las personas y preguntarles, ¿cuál es tu jugo favorito? ¿Cuál es tu jugo favorito? Y hacerle esas preguntas, contar con tally marks, ¿ok? Y luego hacemos un graph. Podemos hacer un picture graph, un bar graph, que esos son los que hemos aprendido, ¿verdad? Entonces, para eso son las encuestas. Una vez que ya tenemos toda la información o todos los datos de cuál es el jugo favorito de la gente, entonces podemos decir, pues vamos a vender jugo de limonada porque es el favorito de las personas. Y todas las personas lo van a comprar porque previamente hicimos una encuesta. Para eso son las encuestas. Se usan en la vida real cuando ustedes ya sean adultos. Van a ver que son muy importantes las encuestas. ¿Ok? Terminemos la última. Dice, and uses pictures to show data. A picture graph. A picture graph uses pictures to show data. We don't color the spaces. We use pictures. Okay? For example, here I could use a bone, but I prefer to use happy faces because that is easier for you to draw. Okay? So we're done. That's all the work we have to do for today for math. Now we have to work word building. Do your best and don't forget that Miss Maria los misses you and loves you. Bye-bye.